Have you ever had the impression that everything is too noisy? Too many notifications, too many demands on your attention. It's easy to get lost in the noise. But what if I told you that sometimes the most profound breakthroughs, the greatest ideas, come from the quietest places? Today, we're diving into why solitude isn't just about being alone. It's a powerful catalyst for greatness. Think about it. When you're constantly bombarded, your brain is in survival mode, reacting to external stimuli. But in solitude, you create space. Space to truly think, to explore your inner landscape without judgment. It's in these moments of quiet contemplation that your subconscious mind can work its magic, connecting dots you never saw before. It's where creativity is born, unhindered by the opinions of others. Solitude also allows for deep focus. Great achievements rarely happen in fleeting moments of distraction. They require sustained effort, a deep dive into a subject or a project. When you strip away the external noise, you can dedicate your full mental energy to what truly matters. This focused intensity is what separates the good from the truly exceptional. It's about cultivating your inner world so that your outer world can reflect its brilliance. Let me share you a brief story. There is a story often told about a struggling artist who felt completely overwhelmed by the constant judgment and trends of the city's vibrant art scene. Feeling paralyzed by the noise, he retreated to a small, decaying cabin in the high mountains for an entire year. He didn't go there to become a master of a technique. He went there because he had forgotten how to listen to his own voice. For the first few months, the silence was agonizing. He felt the weight of his loneliness, the fear of irrelevance, and the crushing pressure of doing nothing. But as the seasons turned, the silence stopped being an enemy and became a mirror. He stopped painting to impress the critics in the city and began painting only what he felt when the light hit the mountain face at dawn. He wasn't painting for an audience. He was painting for the truth. When he finally returned to society, he carried with him a collection of works that looked nothing like the art of his time. They were raw, haunting, and deeply human. People were moved not just by the beauty of the paintings, but by the undeniable authenticity radiating from them. He hadn't just created art, he had reclaimed his soul. He learned that the loneliness you feel is often just the noise of the world dying down, allowing your own unique signal to finally come through. And let's not forget self-discovery. In the hustle and bustle, we often wear masks, playing roles for others. Solitude offers a chance to shed those masks, to understand who you are at your core, your values, your passions, your fears. This self-awareness is the foundation of genuine confidence and the driving force behind pursuing your unique path to greatness. So embrace the quiet, because within it, your greatest self might just be waiting to emerge. Solitude isn't empty, it's full of your own hidden potential. So take a step back, embrace the quiet, and rediscover the brilliance waiting inside you. If this message resonated, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little peace. Thank you for choosing to grow with me today.